Good morning students, welcome back. We are going to start lesson 2 module 2. The name of the lesson is agricultural pricing. This lesson I divided into two parts for your convenience. The first part is about features and need for agricultural prices. In this we are going to discuss about features of agricultural prices and need for agricultural prices. And in the second part, we are going to discuss about evaluation of agricultural price policy. In that, we will discuss few points. So let us start with the first part, that is features of agricultural pricing. Agricultural prices has certain features. Number 1, non-remunerative prices. Remunerative price is essential to have better income, but farmers get non-remunerative prices. Second, role of supply in agricultural prices. Agricultural prices are determined like any other prices by demand and supply. But supply plays an important role in determining agricultural prices. It is observed that good harvest with more supply brings less income than a bad harvest. Third point, uncertainty. Agricultural market is subject to seasonal fluctuations. Uncertainty about the price discourages farmers from taking risk. Next, distress sale. Farmers, being poor, are always in need of money. They do not have holding capacity, so they sell immediately after the harvest. Next, middlemen. Most of the small and marginal farmers sell their produce to the middlemen, who exploit them by paying lower price than the market price. Next, incomplete information. Most of the farmers do not have sufficient market information, so they sell their produce at lower price. Next, poor infrastructure. The facilities like organized market, market information, transport system, etc. are insufficient. So this is about the features of agricultural prices. So 7 points you have to give in this. The agricultural price policy aims at determining two sets of prices by the government. Number 1, procurement prices. Procurement prices at which government purchases agricultural commodities from the farmers to ensure better income to farmers. And second, issue prices. Issue prices at which government sells agricultural goods to fair price shops to poor consumers to ensure their minimum livelihood. Need for agricultural prices. Number 1, to provide remunerative prices. To provide remunerative prices to the farmers to earn enough income to improve agriculture and their standard of living. Second, to provide incentives to the farmers so that they take enough interest in improving agriculture. Next, to promote capital formation through farmers' savings and investment. Next, to have better terms of trade between agricultural and non-agricultural sectors. Next, to reduce income inequality between primary and non-primary sectors. Next, to prevent inbuilt fluctuations in agricultural prices due to seasonal nature of agriculture. And the last, to encourage rational utilization of land and other inputs through an appropriate price policy for agricultural products. So here the question can be, explain the features of agricultural prices, 7 points, and this need for agricultural prices you have to cover. Thank you very much.